Dear student, welcome back to our NIPS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly, assistant teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, morning shift. Student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Today I will provide you one creative question from chapter 1. Okay, so let's get started our class. Class 6, subject home science, topic creative question 1 from chapter 1, lecture 1 and homework number 1. Okay, now let's get started our class. This question you will get on your book. Okay, creative question 1. And now I am going to read the stamps of this following questions. Okay, Ryan's mother has to purchase exercise books, pencil, erasers, playing balls, etc. for Ryan every time after a few days. One day Ryan came back from the playground and kept his bat, ball and shoes scattered here and there. This made Rupa, his younger sister, stumble and get injury on her forehead. So this is our stamp. So after reading this stamp very carefully, attentively, you have to answer these following 4 questions. Number A, what is the first environment of child's life? Number B, what is meant by first aid? And number C, which habit of Ryan made Rupa injured? Explain. And number D, what impact does such type of habit of Ryan have on our everyday life? Explain. Now it is a creative question. If you want, you can make your own answer on your own way. Okay. Now number A, what is the first environment of child's life? We know home is the first environment of child's life. Answer. Number B, what is meant by first aid? So what do you understand by first aid? Now number B, answer. First aid is the first and immediate treatment or care given to any person suffering from either a minor or serious illness or injury. So at first we have to describe here what is first aid. What do you understand by first aid? First aid is the first and immediate treatment that is given to a person, okay, from either a minor or serious illness or injury. Now cotton, bandages, Dettol, hot or cold water, back speed, Bernol, pain relievers, antiseptic powder or ointment, etc. are used for giving first aid. This type of elements we will use for our first aid treatment. Okay. Now number C, which habit of Ryan made Rupa injured? Explained. Now in the following stamp, we can see here that Ryan had a habit of disorganized. Okay, he was disorganized and lazy. Okay, now number C, answer. In the given stamp, Rupa got injured as a result of the bad habit of Ryan. Okay, after coming back from school, Ryan does not keep his belongings like books, bag and shoes in their appropriate places. He is disorganized and lazy. Consequently, Ryan's sister stumbled over his scattered things and hurt her forehead. If Ryan did not keep his things in a disorganized way, then his sister would not get hurt. Number D, what effect does such type of habit of Ryan have on our everyday life? Explained. Answer. Habits like that of Ryan has mentioned in the stamp can hamper our lives. Ryan does not keep his used articles in the proper places. As a result, he takes longer time to find the regular necessary articles. Therefore, home environment becomes dirty and unorganized. Due to his unorganized nature, accidents frequently occur at his house. So, all things must be kept back in the designated places after using them. All the members of the family need to be habituated in keeping various articles in proper places. In this way, the things will be durable and the home environment will be tidy. Now, this is our questions. Create question number 1 and answer here. So, this is your homework number 4 and homework topic will be A and B from question 1. Okay, only A and B. Write only answer. So, student, hope you have understood our today's topic. You have to do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. See you in next class.